Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm super excited to be sharing this episode for today because finally I'm able to visit Louis Vuitton's flagship store here in the Philippines located at Greenbelt 3. Again, super excited. I'll be touring you around this very beautiful boutique. It's brand new, guys. I would also be sharing to you beautiful eye candies, bags, accessories from Louis Vuitton. So make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I vlog about the latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you could easily subscribe, and I'd be happy to welcome you to the family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirafy so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys! So happy to see everyone here. So here's just a quick look of what I'll be wearing for our shopping vlogs today. So I'm just wearing a very simple black shirt, oversized black shirt, my giant earrings, then I'm not sure if you can see my YSL earrings over here, and then of course my monster shoes. And the best part guys is I'm carrying my new Chanel bag. Yay! So this is my baby's first day out. Super excited to be bringing her with me. So please join me in a very wonderful shopping episode for today. See you guys! Hi guys! So we have just arrived at the new venue. This is Greenbelt 3 in Makati. And our very first stop is we would be going to Louis Vuitton. So hopefully you could hear me guys with my face mask. So let's enjoy and have some fun! Yeah. Saan natin nakikita kung mga ano yung mga po. Eto, this one, wala yung may color ba nito?
One color lang, sis.
120, 130. 132. Nainlove ako sa bicolor eh.
$44,500.
This is 44,500. Oh my god, guys! Kaya nga eh, super nice.
How much is it?
41 bicolor.
41.
Ito 100.
Kapag sasha dito eh.
Kailangan
ko na small na ano eh.
I-try mo yung long strap ng Balenciaga mo. Ewan ko may love parang sa mga luggages type na mga ano, na mga bag. $136. Bigger pa ba? Go bigger or ano?
So it's gonna be a swatch booklet for different designs from foliage,
Pero normally for,
Vivian dolls.
for the paint, is there any particular way how we have to take care of para hindi siya mag-spray?
Actually, it's like a typical painting. If you have a painting at home,
This is the new shoes. Yeah, gumbo. Mabusa pa ka mo. Parang kapayat ang paa. Wild twist.
twist.
Twist bag. Super nice. Well, that's hard to twist. Meron daw M yung ano, what's that? Yung chicle na...
Yung the hip, wala.
Ay, hindi yung ano, yung...
ang front na icon.
$270,000 in the jacket.
217. Yes, this one.
270.
270. Yeah, parang waterproof na ano. 142. 192.
Pwede. Kasha nga, oh. With space.
Kasi it comes with the keychain thingy, di ba?
Yung gusto ko kasi, para fit siya dito. Para hindi masyado. Kasi ang bulky pag... wallet ko ngayon eh.
Ako
Ang
din
bulky
yung
pag ano.
wallet was just very small. Parang 145. 145. Super nice. 145.
Kasha naman yung card.
Oo, ito lang. Sorry. Don't worry. So, ang babalikan ko to. Ano na ano kasi sana speedy. So, no na. $177.
we have Steven here. He watches our vlog and he works here at CA as an LG. Pleasure to meet you.
A pleasure is mine. Thank you.
Thank you, ha. Welcome to the farm.
Thank you.
5XS.
106.
$41 po.
Tatayo ka siya.
Kaya fresh lang yung mini pa siya.
Yeah, the
Mini pa siya is 40. Yung kanina was 40 something ba?
Ano? Dalawa. 120.
Pwede. Ganda. From the latest collection to, diba? For winter. 196.
Ngayon yung ganda, mas malaki yung price.
Kasi it comes with crossbody, no?
Darker lang siya, kaya medyo
Pero ito ka everyday magamit.
Hi guys, so we are here at LG. So I am here with my secret friend. So here's my BFF and the in-house stylist. So we have Steven and Kat. Kat, hi!
Mas mataas ng konti, seafood.
Favorite. Yung ganun yung old style na favorite. Ano rin eh. Magkano? Ay, hirap. The 30. The front gear. Hi guys, so we are just finished with Louis Vuitton. So hopefully you enjoy the selections that I've chosen. So we have here again my very dear friend M. So we have here Yen and Mai. Yay! See ya guys!
There, how did you like our wonderful and exciting shopping episode for today? Guys, honestly, I've super enjoyed our stay at Louis Vuitton. I would like to say thank you to my CAM. Thank you so much for assisting me. And guys, I'm super happy because I think it's not the first time that someone recognized me, but when I was doing the, shopping episode or vlog of Louis Vuitton, there's one CA there who actually approached me and he said that he loves watching our vlog here. Thank you, Steven, for again making my day. I never imagined that someone would recognize me. Super thank you, and I can't wait to work with you in the future. So guys, among the selection that I've shown you, which one is your favorite? Did you enjoy the new flagship store of Louis Vuitton? Would love to hear from each and every one of you. Guys, before we end our episode for today, let's do comment of the day. And I would love to say thank you to Jazz. Thank you so much, Jazz, for leaving this wonderful and awesome comment. I super appreciate this one. Thank you and welcome to the family. Before we end our episode for today, guys, please do join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. Press this one so you can easily subscribe. And definitely, I would be happy to welcome you to the fam. Also, smash that notification bell. My vlog goes live every Wednesdays and Saturdays. I would highly appreciate also if you could like this video. Please do follow me on Instagram.com/RamiraFi so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in this very exciting shopping episode. Please stay tuned. I have lots more. Please do stay safe always. I will see you soon. Bye!